Tungsten outdoor gas burner. A lightweight and convenient radiant heater that generates a lot of heat by burning tungsten filaments, which can provide heating in a small area. It can be easily put into your backpack and can be used for hiking, camping, and self-driving camping. Features: lightweight and convenient design, weighs only about 575 grams. Thicken the tungsten wire, which produces a lot of heat radiation after burning, which can quickly heat up. Cooking stand, can boil water or cook food while heating, and can be removed when not in use. Aluminum metal radiator plate can prevent excessive heat from being transferred to the gas tank below to ensure safety. Universal base, suitable for most integrated burners and split burners. Specifications: brand, Tungsten. Product name, Firewheel heater. Material, stainless steel, brass, aluminum alloy, tungsten wire, heat-resistant glass. Weight, about 575 g.